issue? Why are you looking so upset?
I'm feeling bored. Can you help me to do something interesting activities?
Wow, yeah, sure. Well, it's a good idea. So, can we make hot balloons?
Wow, it's a great idea. But what about the materials?
No worries. We have a great book of art and craft from Gurusys Learning, Tarang.
Yay!
So, let's use this book.
For this activity, we need strips, Fevicol, pencil, scale. Strips are already there inside the book at the last page of yours.
Slowly rolling the quills and give a heart shape, as I am doing. See it carefully.
Paste the last with Fevicol, as I am doing.
Now it's ready.
Now, one by one, paste all quills on book canvas with Fevicol, as we are doing. I am sure it will look amazing.
Children, please see it very carefully to know more.
I'm very curious to know what's going to happen in the end. We are using so many colorful things over here.
Once it is done, then mark with scale and pencil, drawing vertical lines.
Wow, that's unbelievable that we both made this lovely activity. Thank you everyone for being with us and supporting us to learn more.